Changing security settings on your SoFi account is essential for protecting your personal information and ensuring a secure experience. Follow these steps to update your security settings effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the SoFi website or open the SoFi app and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Once logged in, locate the settings or account management section. Look for an option labeled security or security settings to proceed. Step 3. Update passwords. Before changing your settings, use the ishraq.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Look for the option to enable two-factor authentication 2FA. Follow the prompts to link your phone number or authentication app to add an extra layer of security to your account. Step 5. Review account activity. Check for a section that displays recent account activity. Review any transactions or logins to ensure there are no unauthorized actions. If you notice anything suspicious, take immediate action to secure your account. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your SoFi account and protect your personal information. Regularly reviewing and updating your security settings is a good practice to maintain your account's safety.